Your needs. Think service, think your needs. Welcome to the world of IP department. Saving lives, SaaS or cloud tech, all in one platform, data security, real-time appointments and payments, AI automation, digital records, analytics, multi-platform apps, resource and inventory management. The patient goes to the inpatient department. In order to add a patient, do patient lookup, and if the patient record is not already present, fill in the details of the new patient and then click on Save or Save and Admit. Now we click on Save. Suppose the patient record is already present, then on doing patient lookup and then clicking on Search Patient, the patient appears. You can simply select the patient and click on Save and Admit. Click on Consult and you're good to go. Now fill in the admission details like date and time, patient nationality, occupation, marital status, guardian details like name, relationship with the guardian, the phone number, and the address of the guardian. Then move on to fill the other admission details like the consulting doctor, the assigned nurse, referred doctor, and reason for admission, which is most important. Then enter in the payment details, whether insurance or cash, fill in the company and code, enter the ward, room, bed, and amenities. The cost of each of them appears below. Now if you select cash as the mode of payment, you can see the change in amount. This is how it works. Now we keep it at insurance and click on Save and Next. Next, fill in the medical history like allergies, previous illness, chronic conditions, surgical history, family medical history, menstrual history, or obstetrics history, which can be edited, deleted, or new ones can be added. Then fill in the medicine reconciliation from the source of medication list. Use the checkboxes to fill in the different details and add records of the medication, including medicine name, dosage, type, route, last when the dosage was taken, and once you fill in the record, click on Save. If you have any remarks, you can enter that and then click on Save and Next. Moving on to vital signs, you can add multiple records according to different timelines to keep track of the patient's vitals. Fill in the date and time and fill in the different details like pulse, BP, blood sugar, SpO2, temperature, respiratory rate, height, weight, and BMI. Once you are done filling in all the records, it is represented in graphical format as shown. This gives you a comprehensive view of the vitals. Next, we move on to the treatment. Enter in the chief complaints, including symptoms, onset date, the severity of the chief complaint, enter description and other notes, and then move on to enter the observation. Fill in the observation notes, enter the diagnosis, add the medicines that are required. Once you prescribe the medicines, then you can add advices as per the condition of the patient. You can include tests from the test library by searching, or you can add new tests too. You can add tests under pathology, and you can also add tests under radiology. Enter the consulting doctor and nurse details and then click on Save. You can edit a treatment plan, or you can even add a new treatment as shown. You can enter in the chief complaints and observation, and you can simply predict the treatment plan by using the diagnosis. Let's see how that is done. We scroll down and take the diagnosis and then click on Predict. The details get populated, then click on Save. You can generate indents for the tests and medicines. Mind you, there is no insurance that is applied for the medicines. To see where the indent is generated, you can go to the billing section, and under indent bills, you can see the different sections that are displayed. Next, when you log in as a laboratory user and go to IP department, you can see the tests, And once you collect the sample details, you can enter the test results. You can enter the test results for pathology and radiology tests by using the template that is already present. Once you fill in all the values, you can generate the reports, which can be shared through WhatsApp, email, or printed. Now we click on Verify and Save. You can also add the test results for the radiology report, which is the chest X-ray, according to the template. You can add images if necessary and then click on Verified and Save. Once done, you can even upload your own attachments. Now change the status from order to handed off as the tests are done. Once you change the status, it gets reflected under the IP department. Now go back to the treatment page after the status gets changed. And when you log in as a pharmacy user and go to Invoices under IP, you can change your status to Handed Off to generate the indent. Once handed off, the status gets changed to Handed Off. Now go back to Tests and Reports and you can view the reports. Go to Forms and you can fill in custom forms according to your templates, where you can even put placeholders and then print them. Go to Discharge tab to fill in the discharge summary, date and time of arrival, date and time of discharge. All the details get populated. Fill in the investigations, advice, and patient's conditions at discharge, follow-up care instructions, and then add the medicines which you want to prescribe after discharge. Once the medicines are prescribed, and you finish filling in all the details of the discharge summary, you can click on Save to save the details. Once saved, the record can be edited or deleted too. Now click on Save after entering the doctor's name. You can print the discharge summary and this is how it looks. Next, if you go to Summary tab, you can see the summary of the treatment. Thank you for patiently listening.